Hi traders, yo, welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh. So right now we have seen a minor reversal from the uptrend to the downtrend. So I will be getting ready to do a put trade because we've seen a downtrend, a retest candle. The previous candle was a retest candle. So I'm getting ready to do a put trade, but I need good confirmation because even as much as the previous candle is a retest candle, it may also be a piercing line pattern for a pullback. So I'm going to go with the call option instead of going with the put option like I wanted to. Yeah, I was going to go with the call put option from here, but looking at this candle now, it is obvious that this is just a re, a, re, a retest and then a fake breakout of the 20 EMA and a continuation. We start from there. So I did a put trade and this is how it is going already. Yes, this is a continuation of this initial uptrend. So we have uptrend, retest, and continuation. So our next trade will be on the same pair. I like trading on the same pair. So okay, I have another. Oh, I think I'm going to miss this. I got late into this trade. So yeah, I got late into it. So I will do a double trade in order for me to recover. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it will go up. I'm sure it's going to go up. So I need you to understand that there is also a resistance here that is holding price. Otherwise, I think this price should have gone up. There is also a resistance that is holding price from here. So let's see how this one closes. Okay, I think it's holding price. I should have gone in earlier enough. I think I'm going to miss this one. Too bad. And then I lost 3,000. Oh no, I didn't I lost 140 because of my entry point. So now I want to do this because of this candlestick. I'm expecting what? I'm expecting a reversal. I'm expecting a put trade here, but I don't want to do a put trade. I don't want, if I want to do a put trade, I would like this candlestick to come to this two deviation Bollinger Band before I do a put. But here is the thing, this setup here, this two setup is a setup for a reversal, but then we have a major uptrend. Look at the EMA position, major uptrend, and we also have a minor uptrend. How? Because of this fake breakout. The fake breakout of the 20 EMA has triggered a minor uptrend, and now this candlestick that is supposed to reverse has failed to reverse. In other words, if it has failed to reverse, then I think that the market will continue to go up. Why? Because failure shows direction. I have said this thing over and over and over again. It is failure that gives direction in the market. So why am I taking this call trade here? It's because I expected this candlestick to be what? A red candlestick. But since it is not a red candlestick, this market will go up because we are in a major uptrend. How do I know we are in a major uptrend? Because of the alignment of the EMAs. We have the 200 below the 100, the 100 below the 20, the 50, and the 50 is below the 20, and the price is above all of these EMAs. So when you have something like this, you know that the market is in a major uptrend. And then how do we know the market is in a minor uptrend? We know the market is in a minor uptrend through price action. And what is a significant price action that we have seen here? We have seen a consolidation market here. For instance, we saw this. Let me show you all the minor trends, the trigger for the minor trends. For instance, this. Between here and here, we have a ranging market, and this breakout is a trigger for a minor uptrend. After this minor uptrend with a candlestick like this, you can go for a put. Now, after this, we have another minor uptrend, which is this. Now, this is also a minor uptrend because it is a consolidation. After the breakout, a put, but I would not advise going for a put here because we will be trading against the major. But here is the good thing. After this, we have another minor uptrend inside a major uptrend. And what is that minor uptrend? We have the um, piercing line pattern here. The piercing line pattern is that pattern whereby the bullish candle covers at least half of this bearish candle. This is the piercing line pattern, and it is a reversal pattern. And this is where I did my first trade from after the reversal. The reason why I did the first trade call option here was because I didn't see any selling pressure, and so I went with the buyers. And so this piercing line pattern is a minor uptrend that is being triggered by a fake breakout of this 20 EMA and the 20 SMA. The 20 SMA, like I always said, is known as the middle Bollinger Band. So this is how it goes, and then we went for the next trade. For the next trade, this is also a technique that we should always know on how to enter our trade to give us the best possible price. When you want to go for an uptrend, you should always enter at the rejection, or when the price goes down against the intended direction. When the price has gone down against the intended direction, then you enter below the closing price of this previous candle so that you can get yourself in the money. Now I entered late and the market jacked up, so I missed that trade, and I entered twice again, so I recovered. And then for the last trade now, it is a concept called the failure strategy. Yeah, this is the failure strategy. It is obvious that when a price action like this, a bullish candle and a weak bullish candle appears in a resistance, which is this, we expect the next candle to come down. But this bullish candlestick setup is happening in a major uptrend and a minor uptrend. So therefore, there are still some minor buying pressure present in the market. Now, in a case like this, what do we do? In a case like this, we wait for this candlestick here to try to reverse as expected and then fail. When it does that, we know that there are still some buyers that are eager to push the price up. So when it fails, we go to the next trade on a call option to continue this trend. So when I did that, I got the call option in my favor. So this is how we trade price action. So I won two and I lost one, and even the one I lost, I didn't lose completely because I had to do some recovery trading. So I'll be withdrawing the money now. So because most people have asked me to do this live withdrawal, so I'll be withdrawing my funds from here, and I will be using my email. Okay, this is it. Okay, let me use which method I will use, my Skrill account or my NetTeller. Okay, I will use the Skrill account. And then to do this, you need to come down here. From here, you're going to put your email. If you're using your if you're using your USDT, you put in your USDT. But in this case, I will be using my email. And what is my email? I'm sure everyone know this. It is what? T, oh sorry, O T Josh, Impact Trading. Impact Trading was the idea I had for my trading channel from the beginning. Yes, at gmail.com. So after this, you go in from here. As we can see, I have 40,000, and now I'm going to remove 2,000. Yeah, I don't take much. I just use what I will use for withdraw, what I will use for my month or for my week, so that I have enough capital. So I will remove 2,000. Yes, and then with this, it comes almost instantly. Withdraw. So I'll wait. Okay, your withdrawal request is accepted. Fine. So this is how it goes. Okay, as you can see, it has been taken away from my balance. So please, if this is your first time, please do it to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't gotten the ebook, it's not free. You can get it at the link. My WhatsApp link would be in the description of this video. You get it and you will not regret getting it, because you're going to learn most of these tricks, most of these strategies, and you will learn it from a point of understanding, not from a point of cramming or trying to remember it when the action is on the market. You're going to understand, which is very important, the psychology and the reason why you are doing these trades. So if this is your first time, do it to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.